This is a brand new 2014 Ford Flex. It has a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, a low-tire pressure indicator, a multi-link rear suspension, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, wood trim interior accents, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, front and rear reading lights, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.